Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to test your AC compressor clutch on this 2011 GMC Acadia. This is the same as the Chevy Traverse. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So we need to pop our hood here. We're going to be getting into the under the hood fuse box here. Just gonna push in on these 3 points to be able to lift the cover here. And then all you need to test this is a little paper clip here bent into a U shape. So we're gonna pull the AC compressor clutch relay right here. I've already kind of got it loose, but you just kind of wiggle and pull. There we go. And that's got a diagram on the side here showing you that the solenoid part of the relay is 86 and 85, so we need to jump the switch part that is 30 to 87. You look on the back of here and you can see that 87 is in this corner and 30 is in this corner. Now these relays sit in here this way, which means that we are going to jump this pin and this pin. Did you hear that click? So I'll pull it out. As we stick it in, we'll hear a click again. That's the compressor clutch snapping in. So that means we have a good compressor clutch. So that's all there is to it. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.